In this video, I'll show you how you can enable hiring on LinkedIn. So let's say you want to hire someone on LinkedIn. So how you can do this is very simple. Just click on your profile, then choose view profile. So for example, let's say I have in experience this YouTube and I want to hire some video editor. So how you can do this is click on this open to button and from here choose hiring. So share your open role to find qualified candidates fast. So click on this. From here you can write it with AI or on your own. So you need to add a job title here. So let's say I'm gonna write on my own and I want to hire video editor. So I'm gonna choose video editor, then write on my own. And from here you need to fill all these job details. So the title is video editor, workplace type is, let's say, remote. Country, you can type your own country. So I'm gonna type my job. You can choose, let's say, contract or full-time, part-time. So let's say contract. And then you can write some description. So I'm gonna just quickly paste some description from ChatGPT. So let's say like this. So this is my description. Then once you have this, you can click next. And from here, you need to confirm your job settings. So applicant collection. So let's say you can use by email. Then you can type your email where you want to receive applicants. So the people who apply for your job, you will get on this email. And then you can add screening questions. So applicants must answer each question. So let's say location. So if you are comfortable commuting to this job location, so ideal answer is yes. You can also set must have qualification. You can also choose let's say language. So English, I'm gonna choose, and ideal answer is, let's say, we don't need native, but let's say conversational. So I'm gonna choose conversational. And then once you have all these things filled, you can just click on post job for free. And this is how you can enable hiring on LinkedIn. You will then receive this purple badge on your profile, which says you are hiring. So hiring photo frame. So this is how you can enable hiring. You can also disable this photo frame, but you can keep it, and that's all. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.